south for the winter with the birds. So we are leaving Reno today, heading to Yerington.
Wonder what they're showing.
I wonder what they're showing at the movie theater. Get our popcorn and get ready for it. So, bye Reno. See you in the spring. Headed east and then south. So we stopped at the dump station and emptied tanks. Tom put water in the tank a couple days ago for fresh water. And we'll get more of that on our way down when we need it. It's only about an hour and a half drive today. Not too bad. We had a wonderful summer. Well, we're here. We're at the infamous Yerington Drive In.
The old Sage Crest Drive In
movie theater. The dilapidated screen. I'm happy to see it hasn't lost too many more panels.
No, it hasn't. Not bad.
So, doing good.
And the big fan with the noise across the street at the warehouse is blowing like crazy, but hey, when you're inside, the windows are closed, you can't hear it.
No, and we don't have that noise in the springtime, only in autumn because they've harvested the onions.
Yeah.
And so there's some kind of big fans that they've got going on in there. But we were happy that nobody was here yet, but somebody was here and left lots of trash. So we're gonna go around and pick up trash later. Actually had to kick some aluminum cans out of our way. Well, just the same 3 stickers on Nevada. Karen needs to come put a new one up there. Hers all faded, but ours and Dave's is still there. Those fans are loud. But like Tom said, you can't really hear it inside the RV with the windows closed. So, we like staying here. We like going into town. They've got a Boys and Girls Club thrift store that we like to go to. And a taco truck we like going to. The Chinese restaurant's also really good. And then they've got a really nice grocery store called Rayleigh's. Here for a couple nights. So when we got here, all these aluminum cans, all here, were right where we're parked right now. So when Tom was backing up, I kicked him out of our way, but not leaving them. People suck.
I'm telling you, people are pigs. This is just ridiculous.
Go to the store and see who buys this Modelo.
Yeah, there's little chunks of glass all over the place.
Metal. This
Metal.
stuff's been here forever. But the cans are new. Recent. Taking the DNA.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
Yeah, we're only doing a small bag because they don't have an area here where you can go take garbage. So this small bag we can take to the grocery store and drop it in there. There's no way I'm picking up all the metal.
Oh yeah, we can't do
There's
that.
way too much here.
We fill up the back of the truck 10 times.
Yeah.
With as much as is laying
Just like
around.
picking up like where Bear walks.
Yeah.
Where we walk Bear. So.
Pretty crazy.
Kind of all we can do right now.
People are pretty crappy.
Well, since we stay on the BLM land and we stay for free, we like to go to a local restaurant and get food for a night or two. And so that's where we're headed, is we're going to pick up some supper and then go to the grocery store and get a couple things. But we just like to patronize a local business, not necessarily a chain, but it's still, even going to a chain still helps the local economy.
Exactly.
So people that live here work there.
Yep.
So that's how I feel about that. But there's only a few choices in town because Yerington is little. But they do have a big grocery store over there, which is a Rayleigh's. It used to be a Scolari's Warehouse Market years ago. But anyhow, we have gone to get Brewster's chicken at this, see right there at that liquor store.
Yeah, I'm done with that.
We've gotten chicken there before. We're kind of tired of that. So we are going to go to a little restaurant. So Bear and Kaylee are holding down the fort, and they should be just fine. So anyway, let's go eat some supper. Well, we are departing Yerington. We left the drive-in. We were there for 3 nights, nice and quiet, well, except for the fans at the onion processing plant.
The street. They weren't that bad.
It's not that bad. It kind of sounds like a train going by.
Rumbling in the background.
Yeah, it's not awful.
You know what? For the price, it's doable.
Yeah, exactly.
800 feet, turn left to stay on US 95, alternate south.
So we are leaving Yerington, heading to Hawthorne.
Be what you wanna be. Do what you wanna do. And if it sets you free, believe in only you. Yesterday is gone. Forget about tomorrow and the ceilings you see right through. Find the moment and make it. Write your